5. No alarms. Temperature -1, 2 C. Total axles 4, 9, 8. Speed 3. Détecteur LCN. Napadogan 2, 1, 5. Aucun problème. Température -1, 2 C. Total essieu 4, 9, 8. Vitesse 3.
That was a report for CN M306, past the mile 215 detector a few moments ago. The detector reported 498 axles, good for 116 cars. 306 arrived at Evanston with 152 cars and made a 36 car set-off. Those cars will be heading to local customers or interchange with Main Northern in St. Leonard. 306 will be meeting 305 in St. Leonard, and thankfully 305 is short enough to fit in the siding. Even with the big set-off, 306 is still an even 9,300 foot long, just a bit longer than the siding. We're in Riviere Verte, New Brunswick, at the east end of the former CN Green River siding. Power for 306 is CN 2934, exCREX 2038, and mid-DPU 2751, an exCREX lease unit. Also along for the ride is NBSR 4313, fresh from the Progress Rail factory in Mayfield, Kentucky. 4313 is a GP31ECO-M unit. Not sure just what unit was the donor unit for this rebuild. It may have been a former Norfolk Southern or CSX unit, or maybe even NBSR 911 or 917, as seen here westbound on November the 4th, 2024 in Juniper, New Brunswick. These units were on CN M305 and were on their way to Mayfield as donor units. Hopefully, somebody will be able to confirm for us what the donor unit was for 4313. Our friendly crew should be coming into view very soon, so time to get ready. Okay, places everyone, quiet on the set. CN M306 in Riviere Verte. Action! We hope that everyone has enjoyed CN M306 in Riviere Verte. Our friendly crew sure was kicking up the snow as they passed, despite being just a bit slower than normal. No need to rush, as 305 will be a bit longer than 306 getting to St. Leonard for the meet. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video. Also, check out the post section of this channel for regular updates and for photos of this train and other rail-related topics. Thank you for watching. Until we meet for the next fun adventure with Kev's Rail Fanning, we hope everyone is safe and having a wonderful day. Cheers!